Hi, this is Linda Morris, and today I want to talk about Nikken's Kenzen Vital Balance and what I call the perfect meal replacement because it has all of this amazing nutrition in it. It's like a whole bushel full of, fresh green leafy vegetables that really nourishes your body. So it's not just for people that are looking to release weight, although it has 20 grams of protein in 2 scoops, and then the total carbohydrates is 4 and 1 dietary fiber, so only 3 net carbs per serving, which is just phenomenal. And it tastes good, which is the most important. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go through Nikken's PowerPoint of what it is all about. And it's a great way to start the day. So here we go. I want to start from the beginning. Sometimes these other things get in the way. Sorry about that. Play from the start. Yes, please. Okay, here we go. The improved Kenzen Vital Balance, natural vanilla, and it's even tastier than the previous one. So Nikken sets the bar for the industry. Discover it, live it, share it. That's what I do all the time. That's what happened with me. Help the global wellness community benefit from KVB. Exceptional formula exclusively from Nikken. Just 2 scoops in pine mag water or the milk of your choice, and you're ready for the day. Incomparable, USDA organic certified vegan and kosher. That's a direct selling industry first. So what has improved? It is a better vanilla flavor. It's true. I really like the flavor of it now. Organic MCTs, which are medium chain triglycerides, USDA organic certified, reduced sodium, contains biofolate, increased probiotic activity, increased protein content, increased contents of vitamins and minerals. It's designed to help burn fat and build muscle. Its plant-based foods benefit the immune system and promote immune activity, helps boost metabolism, promotes healthy brain function. Actually, the MCTs, it's immediate brain and heart food that's in the KVB. Helps eliminate toxins in the body. Plant-based protein, organic pea, organic rice, and organic chlorella. And they made it taste good. I've tried organic chlorella by itself and it's like, whoa. So it's just amazing how Nikken made it taste really good in this meal replacement. So natural sources of prebiotics, organic chlorella, organic acacia fiber, and organic guar gum. Organic MCTs from coconut milk help support cognitive sharpness and help to burn fat and regulate appetite. Organic chlorella and organic cilantro help the body's own detoxifying system. Exclusively organic certified. Meal replacement shakes are difficult to certify as organic because there are too many expensive ingredients. Therefore, cheap fillers are commonly used. Previous formula, already largely organic certified, was already one of the best in the market. So the new ingredients: biofolate, healthy alternative to folic acid, essential in production of neurotransmitters, brain food. Natural folates found in dark green leafy vegetables, oranges, broccoli, cauliflower, etc. Organic monk fruit and organic stevia, plant-based sweeteners, 0 calories added, nothing artificial. That's huge. Stevia, known to help balance blood sugar, and it's like that 3rd generation stevia, so it doesn't have that aftertaste, which I am like the stevia police or artificial sweetener police, and I like this one, which that's huge. Recommended by dietitians for diabetics. Replaces regular sugar or artificial sweeteners. Monk fruit, known as longevity fruit. High antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. So the increased probiotic activity and good gut bacteria with food or supplements. New KVB formula has 2.4 CFU billion per serving. Other fermented foods with probiotics are yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, sauerkraut, pickles, natto, miso, and etc. So that is a huge increase. So in the previous formula, vitamins, let's see. So in the new formulas, there's a 15% increase in vitamin C, 18% in E, 24% in B2, 10% B3, 25% increase in B7, plus there's D2, K1, and B5. K1 is one of those new ones that you want to make sure you have. So increased minerals. So we had calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Increase in all of those. We now have selenium, copper, and manganese. And it is too good not to share. In fact, I've had people stop by my house. They're in a hurry and they're like, do you have anything I can eat? And I'm like, how about a shake? And they're like, yes. So how easy is that? So I'm going to stop sharing. Great way to start your day. However, as I think I said before, like my mom taught me, like when she's, doesn't feel like cooking at night, she just makes another shake. And what a great way to end your evening, because you don't have this big full stomach. You actually have a whole bunch of nutrition. So remember, it's not just for people wanting to release weight, although it's really good for that aspect. It's also great for people that just want to make sure they get good nutrition into their body. So anybody here like to share what they like about the KVB? If you do, raise your hand. I know it's early. Yes, Elaine, thank you.
I have a funny story. I used to belong to the Mormon Tabernacle Choir, and on Sunday morning, there is a 9:30 mountain program that's been going for about 80 years. It's always at 9:30 in the morning, but to sing, you have to be there dressed by 7:25 in the morning. And when you live an hour away, anyway, what that means is you're waking up at about 4:30 or 5 every Sunday morning to get dressed and to get there on time. And so what I would do is I would have, maybe banana and some blueberries with the KVB. And it would last me all morning. This is a really long time. And you're singing, you're using a lot of energy. And I really wouldn't need to eat until noon. Well,
Wow.
one day I forgot to put in the KVB. And I only had the fruit. And I can tell you that was a bad morning.
Wow.
Without,
like, get me out of here.
Yeah, without the protein, it made a very sad morning that day.
Oh, wow. Yeah. It is amazing how long it lasts, and making you feel full. Of course, it says on the label, I think, put in 8 ounces of your water or your milk. And I generally use the coconut almond milk combination, but I make it with 2 cups, because that way it does fill me up, unless I'm going to work out, and then I do 1 cup. You don't want it too much if you're going to work out. But a lot of people's like, well, it didn't fill me up. Well, how much milk did you use? Well, use more. You can use more. And you can even use 3 scoops if you wanted 30 grams of protein per shake. So other helpful hints and tips. So thank you, Elaine, so much for sharing. I appreciate it. And anybody else want to share? Raise your hand or start talking. Let's see. Nope, not yet. Another thing, it really helps with those medium chain triglycerides, really help with cognitive function and focus. And obviously I didn't have mine yet this morning. But it's like, if you are going to be doing something where you really need to have your wits about you, make sure you have a shake first, because it's immediate brain food. And having protein only in the morning really does boot up your brain and your whole body. So it's a great way to actually start your day, especially if you have to be thinking and witty and on the ball. So Nikken, Kenzen Bottle Balance, perfect meal replacement, and great for all ages. You can put this on our auto ship. That gives you an extra discount, and that way you don't run out. So vitally important to have food. And here we're in Florida, so we're getting ready for hurricane season. So if you have this in your Nikken waterfall, you're going to be good. Okay. And prayer, right? Thank you.